Today I'm going to teach you how to do the assignment Favorite CS First Club Scratch Project. In this assignment, you're going to take your favorite Scratch project that you created this year in coding. You're going to put the URL for that project on your web page on our class website. And you are also going to put a snapshot of that project on your page as well. You're also going to answer these following questions down here: what you liked about coding, what your favorite CS First coding club was, what the name of your favorite Scratch project you created was, and why the project you chose was your favorite project. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you can see these the assignment directions in your Google Drive. Okay. That way, after you watch this video, if you still have some questions or you can't remember one of the steps, you can refer back to this assignment. Okay, the first thing to do is to open up your Scratch account. You're going to go to your folder My Stuff. You're going to choose one of your favorite projects. Click on the project. Okay, after that loads, you're going to click behind the URL that highlights the whole thing, and you're going to click Control-C on your keyboard. That copies the URL. It copies anything that's highlighted. Then you're going to go over to our class website in another tab. You're going to find your page. For this purpose, I'm using just a student page that I created. Okay. You're going to add a text box. Over here, it's under Insert, Text Box. Okay. You can change the font by clicking here. For this purpose, we want subheading. You're going to title this Favorite Scratch Project. Okay. After that, click Enter. Then we're going to go back over, actually we've already copied it. We're going to insert it by the URL by pushing Control-V on your keyboard and then push Enter. Okay. When it's lit up like that, that means after you push Enter, it's a hyperlink now. You can actually click on it and it'll take you to that site. Now, I want you to go back over to your favorite Scratch project. Okay, on your computer, you're going to have to click the Windows menu down here. It's going to be the round circle with the flags. Okay, and then it's going to bring up a search bar like this. I already have a search bar here. Okay, so it's going to search on your computer. You're going to type in snipping tool. Okay, and it brings it up. It'll look just like this with the scissors. Click on it. Okay, down here where it says new. Okay, if you want to just go ahead and take a snapshot of the entire computer screen, everything that's on there, you can do this. I'm going to choose rectangular snip, and then I get to choose what I want it to take a picture of. Okay, so I just drag, click and drag. Okay, and there you go. It takes a picture of it. Okay, I'm now going to save this, save as. Okay, it's going to just save it as capture. I'm just going to make sure I take a note of where it's saving it. Sometimes it does it to downloads, documents. In this case, it's going to pictures and it's saving it as capture. Okay, save. I've done this previously, so it asked me if I want to replace it. Okay, then you can close out of this. Okay, you're going to go back to your web page. Okay, and you're going to click on Images. Oh, I forgot a step. It's not going to be here. We want to put it in our Google Drive, but in order to do that, we have to go to our Google Drive. Okay, you're going to click on New. File upload. We have to upload the picture. Okay. go to pictures. I remember where it's at because I took note of that. And I remember it was called capture. Okay. So what we just did was uploaded that picture that we took of the screen into our Google Drive. Okay. So here it is under capture. Now I'm going to go back to my web page. Okay. Now I can go to images. Okay. My drive. Remember what folder it's in, and here it is. Okay, I click on it and then push select. Okay, it's now on my web page. Okay, so here we have the title, the subheading. Okay, we have the URL link. We have our screenshot. Okay, and I also want you to type in this text box here. You're going to answer those questions here. What you like about coding, what your favorite CS First Coding Club was, what the name of your favorite Scratch project you created was, and why the project you chose was your favorite project. Okay, and again, you have these directions, assignment directions in your Google Drive in case you have any more questions and need to refer back to it.